everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my wall ovens, those I'm going to replace with. As you have seen in my previous video, I installed the new gas range, new hood, and also you've seen in one of my video where I showed you how to install the microwave kit. Initially I had a different microwave. I installed this microwave along with this nice kit. And I have a video posted on my channel in case if you need to check it out. You know that when I install something as a DIY, I just don't install it and that's it, I wrap up. No, I always share and tips with you guys. Even though I install it something, but I try to tell you what makes life easier. If you follow this and you can install it yourself. This is a two-man job, but you can do it by one person. Also, I have a posted video for my new fridge. As you've seen it, the water line hookup. That was a nightmare because when I received the fridge, there was no hookup. Today's video will be the wall ovens. I will be taking these wall ovens out and we'll be installing the new ones. These are a GE Monogram. These are two ovens. These are beautiful ovens. I love them. But this is the old ovens. I'm just upgrading to the new one, to new digital technology. So I'm going to replace those. Let me show you. I have received the shipment today. I just cut it open. And as always, when I try to put the videos together, there is no intention for me to put the videos out. But when I take it out, then I say, no, I should share with my viewers and my subscribers out there so it can motivate you to do it yourself. Rather than depending on someone, you can do these things yourself and you can save a lot of money. And as you've seen, these two, we're going to pull them out and we're going to install the new one. Let me show you the new one. This is the wall oven. This is the delivery I received. I cut it open, I took it out of the box, and these are the two ovens and everything is attached. Now I'm going to take it out and I will show you this close by. You always can check the performance of these ovens on my other channel, which is Easy Steps. I always post my delicious cooking videos on my Easy Steps, so please check it out. So this is a stainless steel, and this is Cafe CTD 70 DPN2 and S1 model. This is a really nice one, as you can see. This is a very nice display panel. So this is the other side of the wall oven. And this is the rear side. It's very simple swap. These are the wiring. So now only the thing is we're going to remove these the packaging, and the door handles are here. We're going to install the door handles, and everything is easy. All the trays are inside. This is really good wall oven, and so I'm going to share with you once the installation is going to take place. We'll take the other one out and we'll install this one. When you are working on electrical, it's always advisable. You come into the front of your house, and this is the side panel where is the electrical connections are. And if we take a look right here, this is the one. We're going to turn it off. I have other breakers. We don't need to touch it anything. We just need to turn off the oven. So once we turn it off, now we can work on our oven inside. The first thing we need to do, you remove the old wiring from here. And now we're going to install the new wiring, and this is the way it's going to get routed. This is the new wiring. It has a red, white, green, and black. This is the inlet coming from the main. This is the black, goes to red. Another black goes to the black. This black goes to white. The green goes to the ground itself right here. So once it's all done, this is the condo. It's also locked here, so it's not going to move, and this is how it goes underneath the cabinet. And now we're going to put this plate back. Make sure that we tighten the screw. So this is the old oven. As I mentioned, this was a beautiful oven, but I just wanted to change it to the newer one. This is the how it looks, and this was on the side and the back of the oven. So it's pretty easy to take it out, but you need two people to help you out. So this was the condo, the wiring. We took it out, so not hard at all. The screws, it's very important to put it on the side bracket. One here, one here. And when you do put those screws, make sure that you press it all the way in. And the same thing, you're pressing one screw here and one here. These are the 4 screws hold the oven is in place. You've seen the installation handles. Those are all done. This is the bottom bracket. And you've seen those rails. Those are really important. And only one thing is extra in this one. If you have a single oven, then you need this one. But since I have a double oven, so this one is the bigger one. You see, this is nicely flush. This one takes 2 screws in here. So the oven installation job has been finished. We took out the old one, placed it with the new one. And now we're going to go in front of the house, the one I shown to you, that the breaker. We're going to turn that on, and let's turn it on, and then we'll come back. Then I will show you, once I will turn it on, you will see how it's gonna be. So now we are in front of the main breaker. This is the one we turn it off, so I'm going to turn it on. And we lock it, and now we're going to go inside. Need to set up the clock. As you've seen, we need to set the clock. This is a really nice one. This one is upper oven, lower oven temperature, and this one is also Wi-Fi. If I can close in and you can see it. So as you see, this is the upper oven, and this is lower oven. And these are the really, both lights are on. So we need to set the clock. It's right now 12:02. This is the PM, and we're going to say set. Now it's 12:02. So as you see, this is a get connected. This is the Wi-Fi open to download. This is the upper oven. You press it, and this one has a bake section. You want to bake. This is the temperature. This is really cool. I really love it. This is really nice, 550 degree Fahrenheit. And if we go back, and then we can press the broil, and the broil is a low or high, only 2 things. And the convection cooking, if you need a convection, you're using multi-rack, or you're doing roasting, broiling, baking, then you can use that. Then it's precision cooking. This is the Wi-Fi, so I'll do that mine later. And now on the precision cooking, we have a baked good, cuisines, meat, potatoes, seafood, I mean, many things, name it. This is really cool. And the recipes, the same thing. We can get connected. You can download the recipes. If you have oven similar to mine, you can download my Easy Steps recipes right here. And this is a really nice self-clean, steam clean, air fry proof, warm, really neat. And the same thing, this is upper, and with the lower oven, it's the same thing. You do the broil. I just want to do the quick introduction. So I'm very much excited As I shown you quickly that how the upper oven, lower oven. Now, this is the moment of the truth. Now I'm going to start cooking right away. So I'm going to open it. This opening thing, taking out this, I wanted to share with my subscriber. This is really nice, and my lady, she's behind the camera, as you know, she's always there. She's smiling. Actually, I wanted to give this ownership to her, that this is your own lady and you should take these out. And she was telling me, no, this is your work. You do it. I said, okay, I'll take it out. So we're going to remove everything. And the same thing, we're going to remove the tape. Now you can see the real deal. This is all stainless steel. Looking beautiful. Isn't it looks beautiful? Really nice. Wow, look at it. And there is some more tapes on this one. Oh, it's all done. There's only two more left. The last one. Right on the handle. This is a beautiful oven. And now I'm going to bring all the delicious cooking in this oven, and please check it out on my other channel, Easy Steps. As you've seen, this one is really heavy. It's a 1,700 pound weight. I get help from two of my friends. They help me out to put this on. And once you slide it, you've seen it's so easy. Just connect the wires and put these the screws. And that's it, basically. To see the actual performance, please check it out on my Easy Step channel. So if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.